Assalamu alaikum. And hello YouTubers. In this video, I will share with you how to open a car bumper. This vehicle model is a Proton wira. Some other car models also use the same method to open the front bumper because the concept is more or less the same. As you see, the paint on the bumper of this wira has peeled off due to wear and tear. Sportlight also already looks rusty. We will see what we can do with this Sportlight. Today DIY project is to change this bumper with standard wira bumper. And the old bumper will be sprayed pearl white in the next DIY project. Put something to your rear tires of your vehicle so that your vehicle does not move. To make this work more easier, I advise to jack your vehicle, so that you have access or space at the bottom of the bumper. Use a car jack stand for safety. Place a jack stand under your vehicle. First, remove this front grille. There are 4 screws that tie this grille. The pliers can help hold the clip and the screw can be removed easily. First clip. Remove the tie cable that binds this grille. Second clip. Third clip. And the last one. Remove the bumper grille. Turn the steering wheel slightly to the left. Great. We have more free space now. Then open the screw on the right side of the bumper. Loosen the 2 screws at the bottom and 1 screw at the top of the bumper. One screw at the top of the bumper. Switch to the left side of the bumper. As usual, turn the tire to the right slightly. Remove 2 screws below and 1 screw above, same as before. Under the bumper there are 4 screw bolts that need to be removed. 2 on the right, and 2 more on the left. Here is the location of the 2 screw bolts mentioned earlier. We need a 12mm socket and a long extension rod to open this 12mm bolt. And now we can pull the car bumper. Pull the front bumper slowly and place it below while observing the spotlight wire. I will cut this Sportlight wire and will reconnect it using a common connector later. Take out the 2 Sportlights from the bumper. Make a new connection wiring for the Sportlight. And testing the wiring. I have sprayed the Sportlight with silver color in it. And the glass has been clean and washed. Open the bracket on the old bumper. And install the bracket on the new bumper. Next step, custom-made bracket for mounting the Sportlight. Use your creativity to create these Sportlight mounting. Before we fully installing this bumper, better test first the wiring that we do earlier. Perfect. Now, we can finish to install the bumper. Put back and tie the 12mm screw bolt under the bumper left and right. Reinstall the front bumper grille. And our DIY project is done here. Let's see the result. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. May the force be with you. Pro to DIY.